Dear students, a warm welcome to you all. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about the 6th chapter in economics. Name of the chapter is market. First of all, talking about meaning of market. So, the system through which the buyers and sellers get in contact with each other directly or indirectly for the sale or purchase of goods or services is called market. That means market is a system where buyers and sellers can come into contact with each other. This contact can be either direct or indirect. And why do they come into contact with each other? So as to buy as well as sell goods or services. Similarly, according to Professor Samuel, market is the functional system where the buyers and sellers contact each other to decide the price and the quantity of goods or services. That means, according to Professor Samuel, also, market is a system where buyers and sellers contact each other. Now, they contact each other so as to decide that at what price and in how much quantity they are going to buy goods or services. Now, based on this, let us discuss a few characteristics of market. First one is numerous sellers and buyers. So as we have seen from the meaning itself that there are two parties in a market, those are buyers and sellers. So it is compulsory to have both the parties in a market. They make a purposeful exchange of goods and services which is known to be buying and selling. The sellers sell the goods so as to earn maximum profit, while the buyers buy those goods so as to gain maximum satisfaction from that product. Second one is goods and services. It is also necessary that there are goods and services available in the market according to the demand as well as necessity. The producers and sellers try to produce and sell various types and forms of goods and services so as to gain maximum profit, while the buyers try to buy only those goods and services through which they can gain maximum satisfaction. Third one is contact. The buyers and sellers can come into contact either directly or indirectly, as we have seen in the meaning itself. Normally, the buyers and sellers can get into indirect contact through the following means. First one is teleshopping. So here tele can be connected with the word telephone. That means when the buyer order the services or product by using a telephone. Second one is online shopping. So as we know that online is connected with internet, so that means when the buyer order the product or services by selecting those from a website by using an internet. Next one is price. So just like we have studied from the definition of Samuel that buyers and sellers get into contact so as to decide the price of a product or service, that means at a given time the price of that product or services must be decided in the market. Now again there are two forces which decide the price of a product, which we have already studied, that those are demand and supply of that product. Last one is information about the market situation. So it is also necessary that buyers and sellers have information about the present market situation so that the decision related to production, distribution as well as purchase can be made, especially during the time of recession, inflation as well as natural and man-made calamities. Thank you, students.